For over 20 years, Affordable Solar has been providing turnkey, quality, cost-efficient solar systems to all those in the great and sunny state of New Mexico. Between industrial, commercial, and residential solar projects, we have installed over 3,000 solar systems and saved our community thousands and thousands on their electric bills. Affordable Solar takes care of every aspect of your solar project, from a custom solar plan to helping with financing to the actual turnkey installation. No matter where you are in New Mexico, we have made going solar easy since 1998. Affordable Solar started out of an Airstream in South Valley, Albuquerque, with a passion for renewable energy, our community, and the environment. These same principles have continued to be the core of our business as we have evolved over the past 20 years. With our eyes to the future, Affordable Solar is leading the way to assist New Mexico's green energy economy. Our goal is to help New Mexicans transition from consumers of energy to producers of energy, the green way.
So, how do you get away from your electric bill? In a sun-kissed state like New Mexico, it's actually easier than you think. Affordable Solar has been empowering people with the help of the sun for over 20 years. We've installed more than 2,500 systems, and in doing so, we've perfected the art of turning your house into a self-sustaining home of the future. First things first, just give us a call. Whether you just have questions or concerns, or you're just ready to move forward with solar, our specialists are on the line and ready to help. Next, we design your home's unique solar system. Each house is different, and we know that. Our experts and designers work hand in hand with you and your home to design a system that will work exactly for you. Then, if you need it, we connect you with a local lender. Affordable Solar has been working with accredited lenders for over a decade. We've created a lending plan that makes going solar easy. $0 out of pocket and savings in as little as 8 weeks. After that, we'll take care of your paperwork. Don't worry about lengthy applications. Affordable Solar experts take those and do them under your supervision. Step 5, we install your solar array. Our installation team shows up and builds a world-class solar array designed just for your home. Finally, we'll show you how to download an app where you can track your solar savings. And there will be a lot of savings. But really, how can installing solar help you save money? Well, let's talk about how solar works. It all starts with the sun. Obviously, you need a lot of sun for solar power. Luckily, New Mexico gets 280 days of sun per year, so this is a great place to take advantage of solar. Inside the solar panels that we put on your house are photovoltaic cells, which are made of silicon. When sunlight hits the cells, electrons start moving and create direct current electricity. This is a problem. Most things in your house run on a different type of electricity called alternating current. But don't worry, we take care of that too. We'll install an inverter in your house that will turn solar energy into energy your house can use. So, now you know how solar works. But how does it work for you? You'll notice that even though your house is running on solar, you're still connected to the grid. But when you look at your energy meter, you'll notice it running much slower than it ever has. And it may even run backwards. When the energy your house is producing from solar turns out to be more than you actually use, it'll go back into the grid, and you'll be credited from the energy company, saving you even more money. We've refined the process of bringing solar to your home. But let's take a look at where it all started.
Affordable Solar started June of 1998. Its first office was an Airstream trailer. I had it in my yard in the Five Points area of the South Valley. I ran a phone cord, an extension cord from the house, called that my office, and it worked very well. It harkened back to that old American value of independence, which in the early years of the company was principally the customer base that we had. Solar is an elegant energy solution. There was associations with it being able to build your own power system and give you independence from the grid. Looking in retrospect for the company, you could look at it in thirds. Like in the first 7 years, it was a retail business focused online, and most of the equipment was sold out of state. In the second 7 years was the development of the advent of the grid tie movement. And there we transitioned from retail into retail and wholesale. In the last 7 years, we started an installation division, and what was originally the smallest part of the company has become the largest part of the company, employing over 100 people. Over the lifetime of Affordable Solar, we've helped about 20,000 people. We've shipped equipment to 96 countries, and we've created about 500 jobs in the Albuquerque area. People make a company, and we value our people. And so we want to make sure that the environment is a place in which they love to work. So we really try to impact Albuquerque by providing meaningful work that is well paid, in which people are respected and who respect the work that they're doing, in which it's a place in which they can grow. And we give them many opportunities in which they can do that.
One of my favorite things about working for Affordable Solar is the culture. Affordable is really dedicated to customers, they're dedicated to our community, they're dedicated to employees. It makes me happy. It makes me happy to come to work every day.
I think that one thing that we've always kind of touted is that if we treat the community correctly and if we serve the community, that the rest will kind of fall into place.
Affordable Solar provides a good work-life balance by having great hours, such as getting out by 3 and being able to do other things after work.
One word to describe Affordable Solar is honesty. I've found that Affordable Solar goes above and beyond to make sure that we're providing significant value for our clients.
I don't think we were displeased about anything that happened. We were very pleased with the whole process. It was very painless and exceptionally efficient.
So their service was amazing. They were very responsive, very knowledgeable.
They were courteous. They would do whatever I asked them to as far as special considerations. And then when the workmen appeared, man, they just did a great job. They did a clean job, no trouble to us at all.
I believe that the biggest opportunity for Affordable Solar in the state of New Mexico is to be a part of our transition from carbon-producing generation assets to entirely renewable.
I think we have a unique environment that is very supportive of both solar and wind, so I would love for us to become a leader in the space.
We're excited at Affordable Solar to be a part of New Mexico's energy transition as we displace older fossil fuel technology with renewable energy and energy storage and change the way we make and produce electricity throughout the state.
I think the sun's going to be here for quite some time yet, and I am not worried, and I don't think I will ever be worried about whether we'll have enough power with this system.